With my experience of setting a lot of health clubs, with my experience of running a lot of health clubs, and with my experience of actually franchising out the largest chain of gyms within the country, which is the Wellness Club Gym Express, one thing is very clear in my business model and my knowledge. अगर आपने इकोनॉमिक्स ऑफ हेल्थ क्लब को राइटली अचीव करना है, आपकी मेंबरशिप टैरिफ हमेशा मार्केट प्राइस से आइदर बेटर की तरफ होनी चाहिए, or it should not be in competition with a lot of gyms which prevail around, और especially अगर आपने membership tariff को undercut किया, आपकी growth की trajectory कभी भी up नहीं जाएगी, आप कभी भी expand नहीं कर पाएंगे, आप कभी भी wealth generate नहीं कर पाओगे. And especially अगर आप 2026 year के लिए gear up कर रहे हो into setting up a new gym or maybe revamping your old project with something new, then technology and equipment plays a vital and a more important role because your members obviously need a fresh look. They want a newer technology. They've been exposed. They have been consuming a lot of data from Instagram and YouTube. So they understand the technology. And second, hardware allows your trainers to give the transformations that your clients are walking inside for. They will pay you the membership fees, they will pay you for the personal training that your gym rightly deserves, and it will be your choice of charging memberships. जब तक आप अच्छा revenue gather नहीं करेंगे, तब तक आप अपनी wealth को generate नहीं कर पाओगे. So now to give you a solution for this, here I present to you Project Concept by Wellness Gym Equipment, the newest hardware technology line which will allow and influence you to dominate and capitalize your health club market. Chest fly की training and deltoids की training हर member usually a lot of gyms में either cable crossover पे achieve करते हैं या dumbbells को use करके, लेकिन ये तो हर gym पे बहुत common exercises है. So how do you establish your supremacy in the market and also set up an entry barrier? This machine, PC65 by Wellness Gym Equipment, will offer you those two trainings in a better refined manner with a better angled exercise, and your clients would come back to your gym for their chest day and their deltoids day to your particular gym. When you go for such series which are manufactured in America, which are manufactured in Europe, आपको उनमें about 4 times extra investment invest करनी पड़ती है. Thereby it makes your ROI slightly slower, but that investment is also worthwhile. And similar experience, similar biomechanics, similar science, similar ergonomics, एंड वही एक्सपीरियंस अगर आप अपने क्लाइंट्स को डिलीवर करना चाहते हो, प्रोजेक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट बाय वेलनेस जिम इक्विपमेंट इज द राइट सॉल्यूशन दैट यू हैव टू नाउ कंसिडर इन द ईयर 2026 इफ यू आर अपडेटिंग योर gyms or you're setting up a new health club. So speak to Wellness Gym Equipment for more information about Project Concept line. Let us serve you with solutions around making your gyms beautiful than ever before.